Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever wondered what an operating agreement is or if you need one for your LLC? Well, let's dive right into it. An operating agreement is a key document used by limited liability companies, LLCs, to outline the business's financial and functional decisions, including rules, regulations, and provisions. Think of it as a guidebook that lays down the law of the land for your business, setting clear expectations and procedures. Now, why is this important, you ask? Operating agreements are particularly relevant for those who have or are considering starting an LLC. They help to establish your business as a separate legal entity and can protect you from personal liability. It's kind of like the rule book for your business, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So if you're an entrepreneur or thinking about starting an LLC, this video is just for you. We'll delve deeper into the intricacies of operating agreements and why they're so crucial for your business. So what exactly is an operating agreement? Well, let's delve into the basics. An operating agreement, in its simplest form, is a legal document that outlines the operational procedures and guidelines of a limited liability company, often referred to as an LLC. Imagine it as the playbook for your business, laying out the game rules everyone should follow. It's a roadmap that guides how your LLC functions, from the big picture down to the minutest detail. One of the main aspects of an operating agreement is that it sets out the ownership structure of your LLC. It clarifies who owns what percentage of the business, helping to avoid any potential disputes down the line. It's a bit like a pie chart showing who owns which slice of the pie, but it's not just about ownership. Operating agreements also delve into the nitty-gritty of voting rights. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of who gets a say in the decision-making process and how much weight each vote carries. This is particularly important when it comes to making major decisions that can impact the future of your LLC. Then there's the matter of profits and losses. How are these divided among the members of your LLC? An operating agreement provides clear guidelines on this matter, helping to ensure a fair distribution based on agreed-upon terms. It's like a guidebook for navigating the financial ups and downs of your business. In a nutshell, an operating agreement is like the constitution of your LLC, providing a clear framework for its operation. It's not merely a document. It's a crucial tool that helps your LLC run smoothly, efficiently, and most importantly, fairly. It's the foundation upon which your business rests, and without it, things can quickly get shaky. So, to answer the question, an operating agreement is a comprehensive document that outlines the internal rules, structures, and procedures of your LLC. It covers everything from ownership and voting rights to profit and loss distribution. In essence, it's the rulebook for your LLC's operation. You might be thinking, do I really need an operating agreement for my LLC? Well, let's delve into that. An operating agreement is like the backbone of your LLC. It's the document that outlines how your business functions, who owns what, and how decisions are made. But more than just a procedural roadmap, it serves a much more significant purpose. Think of an operating agreement as your LLC's shield. It offers you a layer of legal protection that can be invaluable in the face of disagreements or disputes among members. Without it, your personal assets could be at risk if your business were to face a lawsuit. So, an operating agreement is like a suit of armor, safeguarding you from potential legal troubles. But it's not just about protecting your assets. An operating agreement also helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts among members. It lays out the roles and responsibilities of each member, the distribution of profits and losses, and the procedures for resolving disputes. It's like a rulebook that everyone in the LLC agrees to play by. This clarity can help keep the peace, fostering a healthy business environment. Moreover, an operating agreement lends credibility to your LLC. In the business world, having an operating agreement shows other companies, investors, and banks that you mean business. It signals that you're not just a fly-by-night operation, but a serious entity with clear rules and structures. This can open doors to opportunities and collaborations that might otherwise be closed. In a nutshell, an operating agreement is a must-have for any LLC. It provides a clear framework for how your business operates, protects your personal assets, helps prevent conflicts among members, and gives your LLC a stamp of legitimacy in the business world. So, next time you find yourself wondering if you need an operating agreement, remember that it's not just a piece of paper. It's a powerful tool that can help your LLC thrive and succeed. An operating agreement provides not only protection, but also legitimacy to your LLC. So, what should be included in an operating agreement? That's a question that many entrepreneurs find themselves asking, and it's a crucial one too. The operating agreement is like the rule book for your limited liability company, LLC, and it needs to cover a wide range of topics to ensure the smooth running of your business entity. First things first, an operating agreement should clearly outline the roles and responsibilities of the members. This includes the division of duties among the members and how decisions will be made. It's important to specify who holds the power to make certain decisions and how those decisions will impact the company. Next, you should include the process for adding or removing members. Life is unpredictable, and the structure of your LLC might need to change. It could be due to a member deciding to leave, or maybe you want to bring in a new member to contribute additional capital or expertise. Having a clear procedure in place will keep things running smoothly and avoid potential conflicts. The operating agreement should also detail how profits and losses will be distributed among the members. This is a crucial aspect as it directly affects the financial interests of the members. Whether the distribution is based on the ownership percentage or a different arrangement, it must be clearly stated to prevent misunderstandings. Another essential element is the resolution of disputes. Let's face it, disagreements are bound to happen when running a business. But having a predefined method for resolving disputes can help maintain harmony within the LLC and ensure that business operations continue uninterrupted. Lastly, the operating agreement should outline what happens when the LLC is dissolved. This includes how assets will be distributed and debts settled. It's a topic no one likes to think about, but it's essential to plan for every eventuality. In conclusion, an operating agreement should be comprehensive, covering all aspects of the LLC's operations. From member roles and responsibilities to dispute resolution and dissolution procedures, each element plays a vital role in shaping the LLC's culture and operations. A well-drafted operating agreement leaves no room for confusion about how the LLC should be run. What if you decide not to create an operating agreement for your LLC? Well, it's not a question of legality, since most states don't require one. But it's more about the potential pitfalls that could emerge down the line. Imagine you're on a road trip without a map or GPS. Sure, you might reach your destination, but the journey could be fraught with wrong turns, delays, and disagreements on the best route. That's what running an LLC without an operating agreement can be like. Without this crucial document, you're actually defaulting to your state's rules, which may not align with your business vision. This could lead to potential disputes among members, or even with third parties. Moreover, the lack of clarity in business operations can create confusion and inefficiencies. In essence, an operating agreement is like a compass, guiding your LLC through potential storms and keeping you on track. Without an operating agreement, you're leaving your LLC open to unnecessary risks. Let's recap what we've learned about operating agreements. This vital document, often overlooked, is the backbone of any limited liability company or LLC. It outlines the internal operations of your business and helps to ensure everyone is on the same page. We kicked things off by introducing what an operating agreement is. It's more than just a legal document. It's a roadmap that guides how your LLC functions, detailing everything from the company structure to the responsibilities of its members. We then moved on to the basics. We learned that an operating agreement can be as simple or as complex as necessary, depending on the needs and the size of your LLC. It's a flexible document that can be customized to suit your business's unique needs. But why do you need an operating agreement? We explored this question in detail. Having an operating agreement helps protect your limited liability status, prevent financial and managerial misunderstandings, and ensure your business is governed by your own rules, not default state laws. It's a shield, a guide, and a set of ground rules all rolled into one. We also delved into what's included in an operating agreement. It's a comprehensive document covering areas like capital contributions, profit distributions, management and voting rights, and procedures for handling exits and dissolution. It's the reference manual for your LLC, the go-to guide that provides clarity and direction. And we touched upon what happens without one. Without an operating agreement, you're leaving your LLC vulnerable to potential disputes and misunderstandings, and you're allowing your business to be governed by generic state laws, which might not always be in your best interest. Remember, An operating agreement is the backbone of your LLC. It's not just a document, but a crucial part of your business's success. So make sure you give it the attention it deserves. If you're unsure about any aspect of drafting your operating agreement, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. It's a small step that can have a big impact on the smooth running and ultimate success of your business.